Okay, in the last session we were looking at the add button, and if you remember we got to doing this part, adding up our totals, clearing the list box, adding the description in our list box, and then the game selected. And hopefully you've done something like this. So if GTA isn't nothing, add the variable, the string variable that gives you its price and its name, add Minecraft, add Call of Duty, and add Counter-Strike. And then our total, so what I've got now is I want you to add a line, and then add a total and the grand total, because the grand total adds up all of your price variables, because we can't add up the string variables because they're strings, text. So when you run it, what you should now have is something looking like this. If you click PS4, it tells you a PS4 £160 and no game selected. If I click Fortnite, it will add it. Minecraft, it will add it with a total. If I uncheck it, it will uncheck it. And so on. And if I check them all, it will give me a total price of 273. Now these lines here are where I've done this piece here. Okay, that's what shows the lines. You can go in now, please, and add or delete lines as you see fit to make all this quite neat. We might want a line under the total, for example. So all you would need to do is take one of these, copy it, paste it in, and then when I click something like that, it will give me a total between two lines. Up to you. But all I want you to do now today is to finish that off and really check you know what is happening. So once you've done it and saved your program, save the code and try changing a few things around. Try changing some lines, but remember all this really does is put what is in your string variables up here into the list box, and the adding up is done on our prices, which is why here we're adding everything to the grand total. So we're saying grand total equals probably nothing plus the console price, so that's £10, and then that's £10 equals £10 plus the next price and the next price. And if we delete one, we're setting it to 0, so it just sets it to 0 and adds nothing. So that really wraps up that little program for now, and I will speak with Siobhan about the next item that you are going to do.